These two lounges offer morning wine selections in Zurich Airport, unboxing priority pass lounges, Zurich Airport Schengen area, Aspire Lounge report, and Marhaba Lounge review.
Hi, I'm Tree Papa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together.
Welcome to Zurich Airport in Switzerland, a major Star Alliance hub in Europe with Swiss Airlines. But what about other Schengen lounges? Let's find out. Before we dive into the Marhaba and Aspire lounges, let me tell you how I got here. I flew Swiss Air in economy class from London. I experienced a paid onboard meal and visited the Lufthansa Senator Lounge at Heathrow Terminal 2. For more details, check the link below. Since I'm flying to Barcelona, which is in the Schengen area, I can enter the Marhaba and Aspire lounges with priority pass. They are right next to each other, so let's explore the Aspire lounge first. After a bit of a queue, I was welcomed through the door. Upon entering, it's clear that this isn't a big lounge, which is typical for most Schengen lounges. There's a coffee table with plenty of natural light, and a room for working. It's time to check out the buffet. They offer a simple hot breakfast in the morning. There's tea, coffee, and even wine at 9 a.m. in the morning. You can also find cereals, yogurt, and cold sandwiches. Aspire Lounge is small, but has the essentials. How about the Marhaba Lounge, just right next to it? Upon entering, I noticed some snacks and fruit on the front table. There are cold beverages, coffee, tea, and even wine. You can also find fruit, pizza, cereals, and cold options like yogurt, cheese, and sandwiches. It was challenging to find a seat, since this lounge is quite small. In summary, these two lounges are both tiny. However, Aspire Lounge has more seating and hot food options, while Marhaba Lounge has a smaller selection. If I had to choose, I'd probably pick Aspire unless it's full. In my next video, I will continue my journey to Barcelona via Swiss Airways in economy class. How is their paid onboard meal?
Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.